Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Spin. This is a CEX and just started the second airdrop. We are going to cover, like always in my videos, all the information about the project and the step-by-step on how to participate on this second airdrop. And of course we are going to cover a little bit about the project. What is Spin? How was the first airdrop that they are doing, and why it's a good idea maybe start thinking in do the transactions and the steps for the airdrop number 2. Before we begin, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Remember that this is the last video before the giveaway of tomorrow, Saturday. So put your comments below if you want to participate. You need to put a comment on the videos of this week. From Monday to Friday, we are going to select one of those videos, and one of you that commented in the video is going to get the 50 USDT from Optimism network as a reward of a giveaway of a previous airdrop of CFAL that we did last week. Without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, remember to participate on the giveaway tomorrow. You need to put a comment in each of the videos of this week, and of course you need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel and to my Twitter account at CryptoCState. So do those two things, put a comment in each video, and tomorrow we do the giveaway. And today's video we are going to cover Spin Airdrop. This is a DeFi trading platform on Near protocol, with an aim to provide users with a CEX competitive trading experience on chain. Basically, it's an exchange. Spin already has a spot and perpetual trading launched and audited, and the project is backed by GSR, Spartan, Near Protocol is actually backing this DX, and Angel DAOs, etc. The Spin token, which is not yet in the market and is not yet launched, they are working on the token economics, will be the utility token of the Spin ecosystem. The use cases, governance, staking benefits as collateral, incentive programs. And if you check on DeFi Llama and you check the TVL of Near Protocol, you can see that Spin is here at position 9. It's one of the native DX of Near Protocol. But it's not the most important one. You can see that Red Finance and Orderly Network has more TVL than Spin. But this project doesn't have a token and is going to have it. Also, we are going to cover this airdrop because they are super transparent. If you go to the Twitter account, you can see first that they have 60,000 followers already, 30 networks also following Spin. This is a project that seems to be really legit and has support right now. And you can see that they are super open and transparent about the airdrop 2.0. The first airdrop just finished, so we cannot participate on that, but we have details on how it's going to be that. And we have the details here on this Twitter thread and also in Medium about the airdrop number 1, how it was, and also what you need to do exactly to participate for the airdrop 2.0. So this is super transparent and this is a confirmed airdrop. So guys, let's start with the step-by-step. First, like I say, they are super transparent for this airdrop, and it's going to be a 1.5% of the total supply, which is 1 billion, and this is 15 million tokens. The airdrop number 1 that they didn't distribute it yet, it was only for a 0.5, so it was only 5 million. The second airdrop is going to be 15 million tokens. So the first thing that you need is create a wallet on Near Protocol or use a native wallet that supports Near Protocol. In this case, I'm going to use the official one, so you can go here to the link that you are going to find in the post of my website about this airdrop. The link, of course, is in the description directly to the post. But once you are here, you can click on Get Started to create an account, copy your secure phrase. Once you complete that, you can go and see here in your wallet. You can send, receive, like any other wallet, and here you have your, you can copy your account address of your Near wallet. So if you trade, for example, in Binance, some USDT or some stablecoin for Near, then you can send it here to your balance on your account here. After you create your wallet, then step 3 is that we need to use the app. There are two products. One is spot trading. So we go to this page, trade.spin.fi, and then you connect your wallet, you deposit some funds and try out to buy, sell and future. Then perpetual trading, look, this is another URL. This is perp.spin.fi. So you go there. You might need to deposit some USDC here, and you can try out to perpetual trading futures, longing and shorting. So if you are part of my community that trades, I think it's a good idea to start using this platform. You just put the money that you want to trade, not for leave your money there. I will not do it for that in centralized exchanges. We know what happened with FTX and many others in this bear market. But if you are trading, I think it's a good idea to consider this because you are going to have transactions for the airdrop. Here is the trade product, so you connect your wallet with Near. Remember, you can use another wallet. What I just mentioned in point 1 is the Near wallet. This is a web wallet. But you have, for example, Sender, which is a browser extension. You have my Near wallet, which is another web wallet. You can use any of these wallets to connect. In my case, Near wallet, you click there and you are going to be pumped directly to connect your wallet with the different platforms. So after that, you click on next and that will be it. Remember to fund your account first. And the same here for the perpetual product. You can see the URL. This is perp.spin.fi. So guys, doing transactions on both products is part of the airdrop number 2. And this is a quote from the direct tweet and the direct Medium page. You can go there. This airdrop will count all user mainnet activities and will include some allocations for social activities and NFT ownerships. Cheers to all who dump their freaky elves. And what are the freaky elves? Well, you can go to these URLs. And here you have the Twitter account of FreakyEvels. This is also powered by Spin. So this is the utility NFT collection by Spin. So one of the things, of course, they are obviously mentioning that in this quote, is that you need to buy an NFT of the FreakyEvels. So you have the links here to do that. You can go here and you can see here the different NFTs. So I would recommend you to buy one of these if you want to get this airdrop. And this was the official site where all NFTs have been already minted. So you really need to go to the market to buy one now. So go ahead if you want to participate on this. This is of course official from Spin. So buy some NFTs here, one at least. I think you will need it for this airdrop. Then step 5, this is another acceleration that I saw that says that this airdrop will count, like we said before, all mainnet activities including spot, perpetual trading and decentralized option vaults that are to be released in the near future. So that part is not live yet, but you need to pay attention because as soon as they get, you need to do it. Also, it will include some allocations for social activities that right now I didn't saw any, and NFT ownership. Of course, point 6, you need to follow them on Twitter, Discord and Telegram. In the Discord page, you can go to the roles guide and here you can see the different levels of the roles. So I would recommend you to pay attention to this, try to scale in the roles and get all the last information from Twitter and Discord always. Many things could appear for this airdrop in order to participate. In the meantime, you can do the main transactions if you are trading. And guys, this airdrop, like you can see here on the official link, they say that we now enter into the second stage of the airdrop that will run for a couple of months. So right now is December 9 and they say that it will be for a couple of months. So you can be waiting like 3 or 4 or 5 or even 6 months until you get this airdrop. So that is why I think the best strategy for this is if you are a trader or you usually trade, instead of doing that in Binance or Bybit or any of those exchanges, try to use this exchange for your perpetual and leverage trading instead of doing in those platforms. Doing that here, of course, you are going to use volume for those trades. Then you are going to be able to get this airdrop besides buying the NFT and doing everything that could appear in the next months. So this is a long-term perspective airdrop. Also, right now we are in a very aseptic moment for the centralized exchanges. So I really don't know if many people is going to do this airdrop, and that is good for you if you participate, right? So what you want is less people doing it, but there are the triple of tokens for the second airdrop. So in these next months, we really don't know exactly how many months. You have the chance to start using this platform as a trade platform like it is, and maybe you are going to get a very nice airdrop with your volume on those trades. So that is my recommendation, my strategy. I don't think it's worth it if you are not trading regularly. If you are going to do only one transaction, I don't think that will be worth it. So in that case, this is not an airdrop for you. But like I said, if you are a regular or at least a couple of trades per month, then you can use this platform instead, and you will get the possibility for the airdrop. Guys, that is all for this video, directly to the point. Remember, this is your last day, your last video. Put your comments below. Tomorrow we have the giveaway, $50 in USDT for Optimism network. We are going to do a random number between 1 and 5 to know which video we are going to select the winner, and then we are going to pick a random winner of the comment section from that people. Remember, it's only one comment per person, so don't try to spam with different comments. With one comment you are going to participate already. One comment from the videos from Monday to Friday, and tomorrow, Saturday, we do the giveaway. That will be all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.